77.
Yes.
Also 20 years.
Yeah.
Als Gedenken.
On memories.
Ja.
Erinnerung, Gedenken,
The
memories.
senior Studenten. Das war so ein Vulkan.
Volcano, ja.
Ja, und hier.
Ja.
These are
The head students, yeah. It's obviously a very important tradition.
Yeah. For the students' corps.
Yeah, very important, yeah. You can eat.
Oh, look at the view. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Make the kids feel it.
Yeah, and upstairs the room from the students.
And
That's the hall that the pictures are taken in. Those pictures are in the halls.
Yeah.
See. Clean kind of spoils it a bit. But
Kann man hier nicht Ach, da tun sie restaurieren.
It's a nice view, huh?
Oh, that's beautiful.
take the clean away, but yeah.
Oh,
Hier in Weinheim, there is a very big
now you
firma.
can see the lake is near my
Yes, in the
house.
apartment there, there's a few.
Behind the
Yeah.
trees and then the lake.
So
They have cut more corn since yesterday. I can tell. I can see the cornfields have been cut more. Yeah.
Silke,
The happy
Freudenberg.
cows.
A big farm.
The happy
They
cows.
do.
Was machen die?
Aber mittlerweile alles.
Ja.
Früher angefangen hat es mit Ledergerberei.
Die
Die haben
There's the
Kunstleder
gourmet
gemacht.
down there. The gourmet temple's down here. There's the
Gourmet
roller,
Tempel,
the
yeah.
roller place. The gourmet temple's down there, and the happy cows are over there.
Der ist Miramar,
Yeah, yeah.
but the
Is
biggest.
this Mannheim in the distance? The chimneys?
This is Ludwigshafen and Mannheim.
Is it the,
Yeah,
the smoke?
Ja, the smoke is Ludwigshafen, where BASF
Yes.
is.
But this
yeah, the chemical.
sometimes I see a big flame.
Ah, yeah, for the chemical plant.
Yes, chemical.
And this is over here?
And where is the
In the distance?
tower?
Yeah.
This is Mannheim.
Ah, this is Mannheim.
This is
up
the
there,
TV tower.
yeah.
Right.
And
Yeah.
the important factory since the beginning from Weinheim is called Freudenberg. Freudenberg, they started with leather, Gerberei.
Yes, all this.
Now,
All these here.
All this.
now they make
Oh, wow.
such different kind of things.
What the size of a tree. I'm going to go up. And I'm not at the base of it, but look at this. What a tree. Dear Lord.
du darfst natürlich gerne, wenn dir irgendwas gesagt
So much choice, why are we not sitting down already?
This is the old public office.
Ah, see. Ah.
And these 4 days, by 45,000,
Yeah.
no troubles. The police said only 2 quarrels.
So
Ja, also bis hier.